Good morning, all of you. I'd like to welcome you all the honorable teachers and education employees, the honorable homeroom teachers. First of all, let us praise and thanks to God to gather us here. As a headmaster in SMA Negeri 1 Buya Suri, I want to discuss in the end semester meeting 2024 until 2025 academic year. As we know, we have some problematic students. So I want to hear some opinions from the teachers. Okay, yes, please.
Maybe okay, for the chance given to me. I want to tell about the student from F3 named Turbius I about his school attendance. He absent almost 30 times. According to the rules, he cannot pass the class.
Maybe the statement of Mrs. Margot, I suggest to give his chance to change in the next class.
Okay, I see. Thanks for Mrs. Margot and Mrs. Kasley for your opinion. According to me, we give a chance for Turbius I, but we give 1 week for him to make statement paper that explain he cannot absent again. Okay, I think we have agreement about that. So our meeting is finished. Thanks for our collaboration.